Hi everyone, it's Persia and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to relax and unwind? In today's video, we're diving into the wonderful world of ASMR, exploring some of the most popular triggers that can help you de-stress and drift into a state of pure tranquility. So grab your coziest blanket, put on your headphones, and let's embark on this sensory journey together. Imagine someone leaning in close, their voice a soft whisper, sharing secrets only meant for you. It's a sound that seems to quiet the world around you, drawing you in with its gentle intimacy. The words themselves might not even matter. It's the hushed tones, the delicate dance of breath against the microphone. It's pure magic. Tap, tap, tap. The sound is simple, repetitive, and oh so soothing. Maybe it's the rhythm, a steady beat that lulls your mind into a state of calm focus. Or perhaps it's the visual, watching fingers dance across different surfaces, creating a gentle symphony of sound. Whatever the reason, tapping is an ASMR classic for a reason. Chapter 3. Crinkle Symphony. Remember the sound of turning the pages of your favorite book as a child? Or the satisfying crinkle of a candy wrapper? There's something so comforting and nostalgic about these sounds. They take us back to simpler times, evoking feelings of warmth and security. Chapter 4. A touch of personal care. Close your eyes and imagine this. Gentle hands brushing your hair, the soft whisper of a makeup brush against your skin. Personal attention triggers in ASMR recreate those sensations, making you feel pampered and cared for even from afar. It's like a virtual spa day for your senses. Chapter 5. Brushing away stress. The soft whoosh of bristles gliding over a surface, it's a sound that can be incredibly hypnotic. Whether it's the gentle caress of a hairbrush on your scalp or the rhythmic sweeping of a microphone, brushing sounds have a way of melting away tension. Outro: sweet dreams and relaxation. I hope these ASMR triggers have left you feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. Experiment with different sounds and find the ones that work best for you. Remember to prioritize self-care and make time for moments of peace in your day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more relaxing content. Sweet dreams, everyone.